Hello, Flavian from the Sidus Academy. Today we are going to talk about the maintenance of a trail shoe. A trail shoe is put to the test. It traverses very varied paths, ranging from mud to much sharper rocks. It is really important to maintain this shoe to preserve its characteristics and comfort. If you run on wet and muddy terrain, it is very likely that the shoe will be filled with mud. If that's the case, let it dry naturally, and when it's dry, brush or clean it with clear water. This step is really important to prevent the materials from becoming stiff and eventually developing holes. Also, if you have a comfort insole, a footbed, or a podiatric insole, be sure to remove it. Sweat and ambient humidity will cause moisture to stagnate under this insole. To avoid maceration and especially bacterial proliferation and thus bad odors, make sure to dry it well outside of the shoe. To maximize the preservation of your shoe and limit the risk of bacterial proliferation and thus bad odors, you can use this type of device. It is cedar wood that is placed in each shoe to absorb moisture and reduce odors. Also, don't hesitate to maintain your Gore-Tex shoes with waterproofing products, or with products like this one that will help disinfect the inside of the shoe to limit odors. If you enjoyed this content, feel free to check out our 2 other videos on ski shoes and hiking shoes.